Hi, I'm Pete from Intelligent Assessments. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add notes on your assessment at the subsection level. So, as we've gone through before, we've got an example template to use. This is the monthly recruitment agency feedback template. We're going to click on Edit. You'll see here that we've got the three sections. We have created a subsection called organisation. We have then created a group of questions. Remember I said last time that we in 99% of the cases there's a one-to-one relationship between group and questions. So you'll see here in group one there is one question with, I've added some more answers from last time, and it's been associated to this master all template. And then if I just fold that up, and I have got group question 2, which I did offline, and again it is a question with a whole raft of different answers, and I've associated it to this master template as well. So what I'm going to do now is, let's just make this a little bit more clean to look at, is I'm going to add some notes. So I click on add notes. Where it says, so this is where you have, at the end of the report, you have got a section where you can see what's been said. Let's just quickly just show you an example. So this is a report. So and just kind of bring it alive. So this is a subsection. Here we call it in this example it's a success factor, and the notes are according to the sequence and the pattern of the answer to the questions. Then we give it a set of notes. So this is where it'll actually be displayed. So if we go back to the notes, what I want to do is start looking at the pattern of answers and associating some notes to that. So what I'm going to do is just put in a note that I've prepared before, and I'm going to say that if the first question is red, or red amber, or amber, then that is what will be displayed. As long and also I'm going to say if the second question is red or red amber, that is what I'm going to display in this box. So I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add another note for kind of a happy path, really, in terms of what happens if both either the first answer is amber green or green, and the second answer is amber green or green. I'll roll the so. And I'm going to add that. Now what I'm going to do is, if you look at the two ways that I've answered it, there's a couple of boxes kind of missed off. So what happens if the second question is amber and then any kind of combination of the above? So what I'm going to do here is, rather than go through and select every single permutation and run the chance of missing things, I'm going to add a default note. So what happens if the conditions that I've set for the first two notes are not met? Then there will be a default. So I don't have to define the pattern of answers. It's going to be a catch-all for anything else. So let me just quickly add on something here. and then I'm going to add that. And that's where I'm going to leave it. So that's the only notes. I've got 3 sets of notes that cater for all the various scenarios for those 2 questions. I've added 2 sets of notes and a default note. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to try and publish this. This will come with an error message as before. Template validation failed, but it has saved. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start going through this and filling in all the sections, subsections, all the questions and answers and all the notes before I can publish this. That's the end of this video. I'll add some more videos to show you some of the other features that we've got within intelligent assessments.